A struct, short for structure, is a value type used to define a data structure that groups related variables together. It is stored on the stack rather than the heap, which makes it more memory efficient for small objects. Unlike classes, structs cannot inherit from other types but can implement interfaces. Structs are commonly used for lightweight objects, such as coordinates or colors, where performance is important. A struct is initialized with values and can be used without the new keyword, although it requires all fields to be initialized before use.